Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I'll be showing you a few simple, cute, adorable hairstyles to do whether you have in braids or you want to try these hairstyles on your natural hair. To add some moisture to my dry ends, I'm going to apply the Shea Miracle Moisturizing Milk. Simple but cute pigtails. You can add additional hair accessories to make this hairstyle pop. Comment down below if you're trying these hairstyles on your natural hair or with braids. I am doing it with my natural hair. My ponytail is my absolute go-to for a quick but very cute hairstyle. This is another one that I go to whenever I'm in a hurry and I want to look put together and cute. A classy messy bun, however messy is up to you. To elevate your updo, try using a bandana. Comment which styles are your absolute go-to and which ones you are planning on trying from this video and which one do you think suits me best. I hope you guys have enjoyed this video, and if you have, please show some love by giving it a like, And if you're not subscribed as yet, please subscribe and join the family. And thank you guys again for watching. Bye bye. See you in my next video tomorrow. If you have tried any of these, I would love to see. You could tag me on Instagram if you want, so I could have a look at your take on this hairstyle.